You can look at beside me or around me, they all are studying. All the students are serious about their study, and yes, it's really a great environment for doing well in the IELTS exam. Well, I'm Sumaya Islam. Now I'm a student of English Fantasy. I already completed my MSc, and now just I practice my English because of higher education. Before coming here, actually I was nothing. I don't know about how to deliver a speech, how to speak in English, but now I am actually able to speak in English properly, maybe. And yes, I wanna thank everyone, every teacher from English Fantasy, because they always helped me to get my desired point or get my desired achievement. Another thing is that they always support me. Their environment is really fantastic. We just stay here from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Actually, there is also some study room, study facilities. Before coming here, my just target was maybe 6 or 6.5, but now yes, I have actually confidence about that my desired score will be 7 to 8. Thank you.